What's going on, everybody? Justin here. The Winds of Change is the channel name. Thank you for stopping by. Today we are going to Ollie's. We're going to do a quick run through, see what we can get. Hopefully we can find some good stuff. We're going to be doing what's called retail arbitrage, where we go into a retail store and hope to find it at a price that is lower than a price it is selling for online, and then we sell it online and we collect the difference minus all the fees that are charged through the online platform. That online platform is going to be Amazon FBA specifically is what we are looking for items for today. So if you like Amazon FBA or you're looking to make some extra cash or maybe start a legitimate side business, then go ahead and sub to the channel, like the video, leave a comment, and I hope you enjoy coming with me to go sourcing. So let's go see what we can get. So it looks like right off the bat, they're getting in all of their Q4 toys, getting ready for Christmas here. So we're definitely going to come scan through all this. Now I've scanned through most of this over the past couple weeks. I haven't really found anything, but it doesn't mean we won't find something today. I'm going to look at a few other things first before we come through here. I know a lot of you don't have Ollie's where you're at. That's fine, right? You've got other stores, discount stores. So as we go through here, just keep in mind, this isn't a specific go out and find this item. This is more of a, hey, this is what it looks like to go sourcing. These are some of the things I look for, some of the things that I do that can hopefully help you. And if you notice, they've got a bunch of toys here that still need to be unpacked. So I've got a route that I go in this store, and it does not start with toys. So we're going to go over here and start with some of these middle aisle things and see if we can find something. So I usually start here in these little islands with some of the health and beauty things. And you want to scan everything, really. There's always new stuff being moved in and out of these stores all the time. Even stuff like this, Suave. Now this one you're not making a whole bunch, and you got to be careful because if you look at the listing, it actually is a 2-pack. But they're $1.29 each, so you get 2 of them, spend $2.60, and you make like $1.40. You'd be getting 4 back. For me, it's not worth it, but it's just an example of you never really know what is going to be selling and what is not going to be selling. So make sure you scan everything, and then you'll get an idea of what sells and what doesn't, and you'll sort of gravitate towards that. But you always want to be checking out new stuff as well. Over here, I've got some Adidas soccer balls. Now these are actually like 400 something seller rank, but we're gonna lose money on them. One thing I did notice though, for some reason, some of these things have a line through the barcode, which isn't common for stores like this all the time, but it makes it annoying like to scan. So I don't know why they did that, but it might be something we have to fight with today. See, like this over here, even what is this? They marked it out right there and back there. Weird, not something I'm used to seeing. We're gonna come down the medicine and the like shampoo aisle and stuff. Also the loudest aisle in the entire store. It's like blaring 80s music. But one thing we did find was this. Look at this. Stick With It Band-Aid. It's like a Band-Aid package for $10. And they're selling online for like $25 to $27. So we're gonna make about $4 to $6 on them. 80,000 seller rank. We're gonna take them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then we got some more boxes down there. So we're gonna grab them. Okay, so we had to get out of there. That aisle, when I was recording that, there was about 8 people around me. And they watched me take all of them. So I got the boxes, and then all these people are like, that's a good buy, huh? Do you need all those? So I ended up giving a couple of them away to customers, but a little sketchy recording videos in the middle of like 6 or 7 people, right? So let's get back at it though. Me go somewhere else for a minute just to make sure that the coast is clear. All right, so we're going to the other side here, and I actually found another good find here, Neutrogena. Now this was actually I was talking to another YouTuber, Bluegrass Profits, and he had actually mentioned finding these, and so thanks for that tip there. So they're $4, and we're gonna make about 6 on them. We're selling for like 17 in a real low seller rank. So these may be out there for people. I don't know. The price may tank. There's like 100 and something people on them, but this is actually pretty good deal there. So I'm gonna get all those as well. All right, coming around the corner here, I did find some more of these. Now I bought these in a video, I don't know, a couple videos back or so, and I got approved for them. I am approved for them now. They're $8. I have a 10% off coupon, so they are what, like $7.20. So I'm going to be spending $7.20 and making like $3.40 or something like that. So that's pretty good. They're fast sellers, and that's like a 50% ROI. So I think I'm actually going to pick these up as well. A few of these here. They're always discreet underwear 2XL. Now this is one of the weird things about Amazon, right? So I'm approved to sell the ones I just had, but if I come down here to this box, always extra large, $18, we would make, I don't know, 5 or 6 on it, I think. Low seller rank, but we are not approved for it. So I don't know why we would be approved to sell the individual packs for always, but not the bigger packs. Just one of the things you deal with in the weird world of Amazon. Okay, and men and also women, don't forget about your panties, right? I get the 10% off, so these are gonna be $6.30, selling for like 18. Gonna be making almost $4 on each one. So I'm gonna get a couple pair. They got an 80,000 sell rank, which is pretty good in clothes. So we're gonna get them and try them out. You gotta make sure though that these are all the way sealed, because sometimes, like look at this, you'll get stuff like this, weird, right? You don't want that. You want to get the stuff that is new and sealed. So 4, 8, 16, 20, and then plus however many else we can get. We're going to get these. These are Hanes, and I've been approved to sell in Hanes for a long time. So if you're not approved to sell in Hanes, can't help you in this video right this second. But I think I was grandfathered in, but I do hear some people are not able to sell in it. Also, I've made pretty good cash selling these bras here too from Playtex. So don't forget to check out that stuff as well. All right, here's another weird one. You guys let me know what you think. Old Spice On The Go No Melt Clean Scent, $2, selling FBM for $10 plus 0 shipping, $17.99 in FBA. Gonna make $9 on it if it sells for 17, and like still gonna make like $2.50 on it if it sells for the 10 via FBA. What do y'all think? Do you pick up little stuff like this if it's $2 and then you're making 2? If it's $2 and you're making 9, then certainly, right? But the weird thing is see how this one's like the top is off, and then some of these they've got like this gunk around them. I'm not 100% certain that these have always been closed and that they're gonna get to where they're going in good condition. But let me know, buy it or not buy it. All right, another hot item. So I need your help on this one too. I need you to let me know what you all do. This right here, twin pack, secret deodorant, $4, selling for like 16 at 100,000 seller rank in health and beauty, which is good. I am not ungated in it. When y'all come across stuff like this, do you pick it up anyway, just hoping that you can go somewhere and get ungated? Or if you have a place you know you can get ungated, do you go ahead and pick these up and then get ungated and then sell them later? Let me know, because I think I might actually do that. I think I might get some and then maybe try to get ungated, and then once I am ungated, go ahead and pick those up. I think that may be the move there. Let me know what you all do. All right, so turning out pretty well so far. We're getting a full cart here. It's turned out pretty nice. Let's check out some of the food and then the toys. I don't think I'll be able to check out everything though, because I gotta get going, because the wife texted me and said that she ordered pizza, which I think is code for hurry up and get home. So we'll have to sort of get a move on it here, but see what else we can find just with a quick run through. And when I'm looking at food, I'm looking at stuff that is dry, not wet, not in glass, doesn't melt. although it is coming up on the season where you can send in meltable items. Actually, I have to check. If it hasn't already started, it's going to be soon. So some of the coffee selling pretty fast, but not really making anything. The Entenmann's right here, pumpkin spice, Kahlua salted caramel. They got some good stuff. It's just not cheap enough here or selling for enough anywhere else. Watch out for these Chibo things. They will show up as probably unrestricted. They do for me, but Chibo's the only people selling them. So watch out for that. That's a claim waiting to happen. These are probably a good deal. I've actually sent a couple of these in actually to Amazon recently. Chock full of nuts. Oddly enough, it's coffee. They tell you the story about why they're called that on the back. $4, selling for $11, super fast. They're within date, and you make like $3 on them. So it's actually pretty good. I haven't sold any of the ones that I sent in yet, though, despite the seller rank. So I'm going to hold off on those because I think I've got 10 of them or so going into the store. So we're going to go ahead and head over to the toys and do a run down there and see what we can get. This is definitely the time of year for toys. Look at all those Monopolies they have. Monopoly Ghostbusters. They got a Wonder Woman game. They got Monopoly Eternals up there. I mean, it's got a bunch of stuff. Look at these. You guys ever seen these? Buttheads, Loud and Proud. They're like different toys, and their faces are butts. Interesting, right? So I'm just checking out all the other toys they have over here. Haven't really found anything. It's a lot of the same stuff that they have had, so just sort of looking around. Most of the stuff is actually cheaper online, or it's more expensive online, but the time they take fees out, it ends up you break even. So haven't found anything good in the toys yet. All right, so I think we're gonna check out. Now I'm in Indiana, so they usually take my tax exempt here, even though it is in Ohio. Last time I went to Ollie's, though, in Kentucky, they refused it, which was the first in like the last 12 years. So not quite sure what that was all about. But we're gonna go ahead and check out. We did get a pretty good haul, though. It's been a while since I've gotten a full cart, so some of it's just big boxes, but we're making pretty good money on all of this. So let's go ahead and check out here. All right, well, it gets dark at 7 o'clock now, so that sucks. But what doesn't suck is getting a haul. That was a good haul. I'll take that all day. I deserve a good haul. It's been a while since I've gotten a good haul, so I will take that. $345 spent. I should make at least 50% of that back, hopefully more, so maybe about $200 on a high end, maybe, a little bit less. But hey, that is pretty good. I will take it just for the quick stop. I spent about an hour in the store or so, and I've always thought it was funny, like when you buy a bunch of stuff, people look at you, right? Like I'm walking out of the store and everybody's like this, and it's like I've got Band-Aids and extra large 2XL women's incontinence underwear and some panties and shampoo. So I always think that's funny. People are interested in what you're doing. Sometimes people actually think that you work there when you get enough stuff. But they did take my tax exempt, so I don't know what Kentucky's tripping on down there. But yeah, Indiana took it, no problem. Filed with them, everything was kosher. So yeah, that's it. That's how you do it. You just go in there, you scan stuff, you look for it, and the hardest part now, that's the fun part, right? The hardest part now is going to be going home, taking the tags off, and putting them in boxes, listing them all, and that kind of stuff. That part kind of sucks, but it's necessary for what you're doing because you got to get them to the warehouse somewhere. So thank you for stopping by. Don't forget, like the video, sub to the channel, leave a comment below. Be nice to yourself, be nice to others, be kind, and I hope that y'all have a great day, night, morning, whenever you're watching. And until next time, I'll catch you all later.